What's the meaning of arable? Arable. Arable.
Arable. Arable. The term arable refers to land that is suitable for growing crops and can be plowed and cultivated. Arable land is typically characterized by its ability to retain moisture, support root growth, and provide necessary nutrients for crops to thrive. The cultivation of arable land is an important aspect of agriculture, as it is essential for producing food and other crops. In many regions of the world, arable land is a limited resource, making it vital to sustainably manage and protect this valuable resource for future generations.